morning, guys. Welcome to camp. We are on day 2 of a 3-day backpacking trip, and I have my coffee with a little DIY cozy here to keep it nice and hot. And in this video, I'm just gonna show you everything that I eat today on the hike, and like for breakfast, dinner, like the whole day, everything that I packed. It is going to be probably a pretty intense hike day, and so I suspect that I'm gonna be eating a lot of food. Morning coffee, it's my first cup. I'll probably have 2 of them and then have breakfast. For breakfast today, I have a little homemade oatmeal packet. It has quick cooking oats and some freeze-dried fruits, cinnamon, toasted almonds, and then one of the things that I did differently that I have not done before is I added protein powder to this to make it, just a little bit more filling and more protein, because today's gonna be a big hike day. And then I have one of these little raw honey packets, and I'm probably gonna put half of this in mine, and then I'll split it with Nick and he can put some in his as well. So this is breakfast with an incredible view. This turned out delicious. Definitely would make this again. I love the addition of the protein powder and the toasted almonds. Toasting the almonds definitely gives it just so much more flavor. It's so simple, and so easy to make your own oatmeal packets like this, and I just love it. So I'll put some more recipes and some resources for this kind of stuff in the description below. We've been hiking for a couple hours. We just stopped to refill our water. I'm gonna have a snack, so I'm having an RX bar today, and then we're gonna start the climb. So this trail has been kind of interesting because it's like we go down where the water is because we need to fill up water, and then that's also the start of the climb when our packs are the heaviest. So yeah, this is gonna be, I think, the biggest climb of the day, so I'm just having a quick snack. I haven't had one of these in a while. I used to eat these a lot, got kind of burnt out on them, but now they're back. This is a limited edition flavor. The orange one is really good. For snack number 2, just having a little break, I have some homemade, let me see if I can get this out. They don't really look that great like this, but these are some dehydrated bananas with cinnamon, and they're just super chewy and sweet and delicious. And then I'm also going to have a Chomps turkey stick, right? Is this, yeah, turkey one. I really love these. I eat these all the time. So that and some bananas, weird combo, but an epic view. So all I do for these bananas is I just slice them, sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon on top, and then just throw them in a dehydrator. I don't remember how long it takes. It kind of depends on how thick you cut the banana, and they turn out so good. So we are up on pass number 2 of the day. We still need to get up and over that snowy patch there today. So we're stopping here to have some lunch. I have taken my shoes off, and I'm gonna fill this little collapsible water bottle up. So I have some filtered water in here, and then I'm gonna put one of these Noon tablets in here just for some electrolytes, and Nick and I will share this with lunch because it is hot. Like, I have been sweating so much, and so having just a little bit of electrolytes is definitely a good idea, I think, before we hike up the 3rd pass. This is Nick. You look like a rock. I am so excited to drink this. This is so refreshing, these electrolytes. I'm obsessed with them. And then for lunch today, I'm having the usual. You guys know I love these Safe Catch tuna and salmon packets. And so today I'm having the citrus dill salmon packet, and I'm just gonna use some of these cheddar crackers to dip the salmon with. This is just like go-to lunch for backpacking. I love it. This salmon packet has 18 grams of protein, so that's great. And then I'm also going to snack on some of these little salami minis. I love this salami. I usually bring the bigger salami and then just slice it, but this has like little mini ones, which I like. And then I'm also going to snack on this moon cheese, which is my new obsession. Well, actually not really new. I've been eating these for a while, but I have never taken this flavor backpacking, the garlicky Parmesan. I almost ate the entire bag last night. So I'm probably gonna finish this off. And again, this has actually a pretty good amount of protein as well. So this is gonna be my lunch. Listen to this crunch. So good. Where is Nick? Maybe he left me here. Well, he's under the rock.
Oh man, it's hot.
That is so refreshing. Oh, that's so good. Here, try some. Noon tablets for the win. Love it. So many bugs landing on me. Snack number, I've lost track at this point. We just finished the last big climb, and so I am so hungry. I'm having an Oatmega Bar, which is one of my favorites. It has 14 grams of grass-fed whey protein, which I prefer over a plant-based protein, so I love that. And then it also has omega-3s, and it's not too sugary. So this is the white chocolate raspberry flavor. So good. And I do not like white chocolate at all, but for some reason this bar does it for me. And then I also am gonna have my other favorite tried and true Power Crunch bar in the salted caramel flavor. And these, I've been eating these consistently for a while now, and I'm still not sick of them. So they're one of my favorites. Nick loves them as well. And I'm just gonna have both of these right now. Since we've been talking about protein so much, this is 27 grams of protein right now if I eat both of these. So I'm okay with that. We are at camp for the night, done hiking for the day. We're both pretty tired, ready to just relax, hang out at camp. I filled up this bottle again with some filtered water and another Noon tablet, which Nick and I are going to share just to, again, keep replenishing the electrolytes so that we can stay hydrated. It is time for dinner. I am hungry. I have a homemade meal here. It's like a lemon turmeric-y Orzo with chickpeas. So it's kind of a bit of an recipe experiment. But let's take a look at what it looks like before it's rehydrated. We're gonna take this out. When I'm dehydrating backpacking meals, I always try to make them as low in fat as possible because fat does not dehydrate well, and it just can kind of make your food go rancid. And so this one doesn't have any fat in it, and I meant to bring some olive oil to put in here after it was rehydrated because I think it needs some fat and I could use a little bit of those calories. But I did forget that, so you know, that's kind of the only thing with this meal that I think it might be missing. But let's put some boiling water in here and see how it looks. Just a splash more. All right. Ooh, that smells good. With this one, I'm gonna let it sit for 10 minutes, probably give it a mix, and then let it sit for another 5 or 10 minutes. It has onion powder in it, garlic powder, lemon juice, turmeric, orzo, broccoli, zucchini, red onion, I think, and some chickpeas. It's been about 20 minutes. Ooh, yeah. This looks so good. Let's give this a try. Smells good. It's actually really good. I would make it again. It definitely needs the olive oil to make it amazing, but everything rehydrated really good. I'm gonna try a chickpea. Oh no, totally fine. Overall, I'm loving the veggies in here, the texture and everything. It just needs a little bit of fat with the olive oil that I did not bring. for dessert, I packed in this chocolate bar by Power Crunch. So the people who make my favorite protein bar also make milk chocolate bars that have 10 grams of protein in them. I thought this sounded interesting, so I bought it. It completely melted in my pack, so it's firmed up now, but it's probably gonna look like a mess in here, but I'm gonna give it a try. As suspected, it definitely melted. But it has these little protein Crispies in here. Mmm, that's good. I knew they wouldn't disappoint me. So it's kind of like, I don't know what candy bar it is. I think it's called the Crunch Bar, and it's a chocolate bar with like Crispies in it. That's kind of what this is like. 10 grams of protein. I would definitely take this again. Maybe not on such a hot hike, but overall, delicious. I'm loving this chocolate. So that is it for everything that I ate today while I was out backpacking. Today was a pretty good, solid hike day. We hiked for like, I don't know, probably, I think it was 8 hours or so. And I ate a lot of good food. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and just comment below, say hi, share some of your favorite backpacking meals. I love hearing from you, and make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss next week's video. Have an awesome day. Peace.